Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google Drive and navigating to the folder where you want images stored. This keeps files organized and searchable. Once there, click New and choose File Upload, or simply drag and drop images from your desktop into the browser window. Do this for single files or select multiple items at once. Uploading into a dedicated folder helps with sharing and backup. Make sure file names are descriptive so you can find them later and avoid duplicates that cause confusion. Once you choose files, select multiple using Ctrl or CMD to add batches and Shift for ranges. This speeds up large imports. Drag and drop provides a visible progress bar so you can monitor upload status and estimated time. This matters on slow connections. After files finish, right-click any image to move it into subfolders or add color labels for visual sorting. Make sure to wait for the progress indicator to reach 100% before closing the tab, because interrupted uploads can. After upload, verify images by double-clicking to preview and confirm resolution and orientation. To share, right-click an image, choose Share, pick Viewer or Editor Access and copy the link. Make sure sharing settings match your intent. On mobile, open the Drive app to view or enable offline access for travel. If something goes wrong, check your internet connection and free storage quota, clear browser cache, or retry in an incognito window. These quick fixes resolve most upload issues and save you time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.